We're looking here at a monumental 15-volume set of Stoddard's travels around the world. They're in this nice early 20th century embossed binding with a shield on the front cover. And we see that the first volume, like all volumes, has a sepia color frontispiece. And this set dates from the 1925. It was issued many times in different bindings and by different publishers actually. And each volume typically covers 3 different locations. This one, for instance, is Genoa, Italy, with Sicily, and yeah, looks like it's those 2 maybe. Ah, right, no, then the Engadine. Yes. So there's 3 in each volume, 3 locations. And this one here, oh, this is interesting, Japan, and China. And so what we see is this very interesting assortment. There are literally thousands of images, or at least 1,500, I would say, but it could well be 2,500 throughout this set. It would take you about an hour to, or more, just to count. It'd probably take you 2 or 3 hours to count them all. Of the peoples, and look at this. They're climbing up on each other's back on that tree. He had an interest in cultural and human activity in these countries, and so these are very interesting to browse through today. And so this is a very pleasing set in many ways. And each section that he talks about, at the front of that section has a sepia color illustration full page facing that. So this one on Spain and beautiful France and Paris here, they all each have a color frontis like so. And on the set goes. It's the same throughout. When we create this listing for you to look at, we'll list what each of the locations are. But this very heavy. This paper was a coated stock, similar to what National Geographic magazine is printed on. So each volume is quite heavy, and altogether the set, I think, must weigh 30 pounds or 35 pounds. And so this is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.